Okay, y'all, it's stock tank pull day. Y'all, it is like 150 degrees here in the Tennessee, so I decided it was time to cool off. It's my stock tank pole. It's 8 foot in diameter. I don't know, maybe 2 feet deep, but it's perfect to cool off in. Let me talk to y'all for a minute about the game Word with Friends. Word with Friends, you know, the app that you get, it's not eHarmony Word with Friends. It's not Stalkers with Friends. Do not message me and say nasty things on Word with Friends, or I will not be your friend. You know what I'm saying? I mean, don't tell me where you live. Don't ask me where I live. Don't spell out a word and then make a nasty comment on the private messages about it. I will delete you, friend. You will not be my Words with Friends anymore. I mean, what is wrong with people, y'all? I just want to play Scrabble. I don't even know why it's called Words. It should be Scrabble. It's just Scrabble. Scrabble on an app. And people just, y'all, I mean, it's some serious, it's some scary people out there, y'all. I can't even, I just want to play Scrabble. That's all I want to do. But today, I'm just going to float the pole. If you don't have a stock tank pole, you really need to get one. I like to call it my layout pole. I mean, you do what you gotta do to stay cool in Tennessee. Now, if you really want to stay cool, let me show y'all something. Turn the fan on. And it's like an air conditioner while you're in the pool. Misting fan. It's pretty nifty. Just living a dream. Somebody's got to do it. Somebody bring me the tanning oil. Is anybody there? Maybe a cold drink. Got the drink.